Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a 10% discount off of any product from VaporDNA.com. So the first thing you have to do to activate the coupon code and to actually find the coupon code is go to couponqueso.com. Couponqueso.com is a site where they have secret coupon codes and special discounts. And once you get to couponqueso.com, what you want to do is go on the search bar over here on the right and type in VaporDNA, and that's going to take you to a post that shows you how to get the discount. So once you get to that post, it'll look like this. I'm going to click on it so it can take me in there. What you're going to see is that if you scroll down, you're going to see some arrows pointing to a reveal coupon code area. Once you get there, you're going to click on that reveal coupon button and it's going to display a coupon code. Now this coupon code changes all the time, so I'm not going to show you mine so that you actually go there and get the most up-to-date coupon code. But what's going to happen is once I click on that coupon code, it's going to redirect me to the VaporDNA website. I'm going to go back to the other website or to the other tab in your computer and get the coupon code that's there. Now, you can go back and do that, and once you pick a product, for example, let me walk you through this. I'm gonna just select a random one, and we're gonna select this right here, and I'm going to add it to cart. So I'm going to add to cart. I'll have to pick one here. I'll click on that and I'm going to add it to cart. Now once I add it to cart, I can view cart. And over here you can see that there's an area for coupon code. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the coupon code that I got from Coupon Queso. Now yours is going to be different from mine, so I'm going to go ahead and blur this out so I don't give you an incorrect one. I want you to have the one that's most up to date, and that can change periodically. I'm going to go ahead and type that in there. I'm going to click on apply, and then you're going to see that over here we have the coupon code applied. As you can see there, I'm highlighting it. Out of $44.99, 10% would be $4.50. So that's all there's to it, guys. All you have to do is go to couponqueso.com, make sure you type in the search bar VaporDNA, and then click on the button that says reveal coupon. It'll give you the coupon right there so you can enjoy 10% off VaporDNA.com. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me your comments and questions down below, and hope you enjoy the savings. Have a great one.